ZANU-PF Harare political chairperson Goodwill Masimilembwa is not yet done with the Vice President Constantino Chiwenga, and this time he wants him to account for the death of his aide who his supporters allegedly killed. Sana mina mashoko tuna kuti aiwa Goodwill Masimilembwa ataka Vice President Constantino Chiwenga. Sana mina mashoko ambira nyogwa panapa munhu ause manyoro kwakaitwa ngwasubscribe like otanga bell icon. Timira munhu kwa mchinzi Masimilembwa's aide Tyson Mashoko died following a brutal petrol bomb attack by suspected Chiwenga supporters just days before the recent ZANU-PF conference in Bulawayo, where Chiwenga emerged victorious, further intensifying factional battles within the party. The petrol bomb destroyed property, while the guard who was manning the premises sustained severe burns as a result of the attack. He was admitted to hospital where he died on Friday morning. His body was Saturday taken to his rural home in Mashino for burial on Sunday. A post-mortem was conducted on Friday while police are still compiling the forensic and laboratory report as investigations continue. Do maswarabuda pana panyoko pana mapepa na royalties ayi vatama zvikuchita aiwa Masimilembwa anoti asati ndapedzerana na bibichu anoda kokuti ari kuti makabetsera aiwa mukureva kwehis aid nekubvumva kweofisi yake munoiziva nhau iyi yakaitika a few days before this conference yeZANU-PF. Mashoko akashamisa vanhu panapa pane alleged information ari kubuda zvinzi aiwa vakomana vakabomba this office vakapetrol bomba this guard vakomana vaitutumiwa navice president Constantino Chiwenga. Tudze mafundo enyu muri kudai pamusoro pechitwa ichi pina kuma section yedu, so subscribe or like and turn on the bell icon.